Good morning, students. Last time I had given you a worksheet. Today I am going to solve few questions from that worksheet. So everyone open your worksheet and read question number first. Question number first is the complement of an angle is 1/4 of its supplement. Complement of an angle is 1/4 of its supplement. Find the angle. See, if let the required angle is x, then complement of x is 90 minus x and supplement of x is what? 180 minus x. You know this? 90 minus x degree. If this is x degree, then this one is 90 minus x degree. This is 180 minus x degree. We know that two angles are called complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. So if one angle is x, then other is 90 minus x. And what is the supplementary angles? The two angles whose sum is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. If the angle is x, then its supplement is 180 minus x. According to the question, everyone read the question again. Complement of an angle is 1/4 of its supplement. So according to the question, complement means 90 minus x is 1/4 of its supplement, 180 minus x. Complement of x, that is 90 minus x, is equal to 1/4 of supplement of x, that is 180 minus x. Now solve this equation, find out x, that will be the required angle. So transfer this 4 to this side. What we have? 4 into 90 minus x is equal to, this is 180 minus x into here 1. So that will be 9 4 ja 36, 360 minus 4x equal to 180 minus x. So from here what we have? 360, and transfer this 180 to left side, that will be minus 180. That is, transfer this minus 4x to right side, it will be plus 4x, and that is minus x. So we have 360 minus 180, that is 180 minus 4x is equal to 4x minus x, that is 3x. So from here x is equal to what? 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. Okay, clearly the required angle is 60 degree. So 60 degree is that angle whose complement is 1/4 of its supplement. Okay, now read question number third. Everyone read question number third. Question number third. 4 times the complement of an angle is equal to its supplement. Find the angles. 4 times the complement of an angle is equal to its supplement. Find the angle. Let the required angle be x degree, then according to the question 4 times its complement means 90 minus x. 4 times its complement is equal to its supplement 180 minus x. Okay? 4 times complement of x. Complement of x is 90 minus x, that is equal to supplement of x, that is 180 minus x. So it will be 360 minus 4x is equal to 180 minus x. So transfer this 180 to left side, that will be 360 minus 180, and transfer this minus 4x to right side, that is 4x, and this is minus x. So we have 360 minus 180, that is 180, is equal to 4x minus x, that is 3x. So from here 3x is equal to 180 means x is equal to 180 divided by 3. 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. So the required angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now read question number 6. Everyone, read question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 is AB is parallel to CD. The bisectors of BPQ and DQP meet at O. Prove that angle POQ is 90 degree. See, figure is this one. This is AB, and that is CD, and it is given that AB is parallel to CD, and this is PQ. So bisector of BPQ and bisector of DQP meet at O means what? PO and QO, OP and OQ are bisectors of angle BPQ and angle DQP respectively. Okay? To prove, what we have to prove? To prove that angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. Angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove. We have to prove that this angle is 90 degree. See its proof. See, AB and CD are parallel, it is given. AB parallel to CD, it is given. And this PQ works as transversal. PQ is transversal. Okay? So, what is the relation between this angle and this angle? Angle BPQ and angle DQP? They are co-interior angles. And we know that when two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, then co-interior angles are supplementary, means their sum is equal to 180 degree. Clearly angle BPQ plus angle DQP, BPQ this angle and DQP this angle, their sum will be equal to 180 degree because they form co-interior angles. Okay, then multiply both sides by half, by 1/2. So what we have? We have 1/2 angle BPQ plus half of angle DQP, that will be equal to half of 180 degree. बोथ साइड हमने 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Half of angle BPQ is this angle. What will be its half? Its half will be this angle. Why? Because OP is bisector clearly its half will be this angle OPQ. Clearly half of BPQ is angle OPQ plus half of DQP. DQP is this angle. Its half is this one. Why? Because OQ is bisector of angle DQP. So this one. Okay. So half of DQP is OQP, angle OQP. Okay. That will be equal to half of 180 is 90 degree. Okay. Now suppose this is first. See, this POQ form a triangle. You can see POQ form a triangle. So in triangle POQ, what is the sum of all angles? This one, and this one. What will be the sum of the three angles? That is by angle sum property. That is equal to 180 degree. Angle OPQ, this one, this angle OQP, this one, this angle, and angle POQ, that is equal to 180 degree by angles sum property of triangles. Okay. So what is the sum of these two? These two from first OPQ plus OQP, that is 90 degree. Clearly this is 90 degree and plus angle POQ, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So from here what will be POQ? From here angle POQ, that is equal to 180 minus 90, that is angle POQ equal to 90. And you can see हमें यही प्रूव करना. Okay. Now next question number 8. Question number 8. Read everyone. Question number 8. Question number 7 मैंने सॉल्व कराया है आपको प्रॉपर्टी में. Sum of all exterior angles so found when sides of triangles are produced in an order, then sum of all angles so found, exterior angles so found, that sum will be equal to 360 degree. I have already proved this. So question number 7 is already solved. Now read question number 8 everyone. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, two lines are intersected by a transversal such that the bisectors of pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Prove that lines are parallel. Students, actually this question, there is a mistake in this question. Listen carefully. What will be the question? Two lines are intersected by a transversal such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel. क्या होना चाहिए? Equal की जगह parallel होना चाहिए. So I advise you cut equal and write there parallel. Okay? Means bisectors of pairs of corresponding angles are parallel. Then prove that lines are parallel. Okay, so I am going to prove this one. See what is given. There are two lines AB and CD, and this is cut by a transversal. Suppose that by PQ, and it cut at point R and S, such that bisectors of any pair of corresponding angles. See, this is corresponding angles. Angle PRB and angle PSD. This is a pair of corresponding angles. They are bisectors. Suppose RM and SN are bisectors of PRB and PSD. These two are parallel. जो इक्वल दे दिया है गलती से, that should be parallel. RM parallel to SN. Bisectors of any pair of corresponding angles are parallel. Means what is given here? What is given? AB and CD are two lines intersected by transversal PQ such that PQ and RM and SN are bisectors of pair of corresponding angles, angle PRB and angle PSD, such that, and it is given such that nahi, that there should be, and it is given, and this RM is parallel to SN. It is given this RM is parallel to SN. These two lines are parallel. Then to prove, read the question. Prove that lines are parallel. Means AB and CD are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. We want to prove this. Okay? That's very easy question. In class 7th, I think you had proved this. Okay? So I am going to prove this. See, RM is bisector of angle PRB. What is the work of bisector? To divide the given angle into two equal parts. Means this RM is bisector of PRB, means it divides this angle into two equal parts. Means this one and this one both are equal. This one and this one both are equal angles. Means the whole one, this whole one will be twice of each one. अगर आप suppose कर लो ये 30 है तो ये भी 30 है. Then what will be the measurement of this one? That is 60 degree. Clearly, this angle PRB is twice of PRM. Okay? Angle PRB is twice of angle PRM. Why? Because RM is bisector of PRB. RM is bisector of angle PRB. And in the same way, because SN is bisector of PSD, इसका bisector है, so it should be twice of this one is twice of this angle. Clearly, and angle PSD actually PSD is twice of angle PSN. What is the reason? ये देखो, ये जो होगा, ये अगर 80 डिग्री है तो 40 डिग्री. Okay? That is SN is bisector of angle PSD. Okay? Now we will use this. Suppose this one is first and this one is second. Now it is given that RM is parallel to SN. Now RM is parallel to SN. It is given. This line RM, this one is parallel to SN. These two lines are parallel, and PQ will be PQ intersect these two RM and SN at two distinct points R radius. Clearly PQ will be also transversal of these two lines, and PQ is transversal. PQ is transversal line. Okay, so because these two lines are parallel, that's why their corresponding angles will be equal. See, this RM is a line, this is parallel to SN, and this is a transversal. So this angle and this angle form pair of corresponding angles, and because these two lines are parallel, that's why these two angles will be equal. Means angle PRM will be equal to PSN. Angle PRM will be equal to PSN because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal when lines are parallel, and in this case RM is parallel to SN. It is given in the question. Okay, because these two angles are equal, so their twice will be also equal. So their twice will be also equal. Means twice of angle, clearly that is twice of angle PRM will be equal to twice of angle PSN. And what is twice of angle PRM? You can see from first, that is angle PRB. Angle PRB will be equal to twice of PSN. From second, PSD. Angle PSD, that comes from first and second. Okay, now हमने क्या प्रूफ कर दिया यहाँ पे? PRB this angle is equal to PSD this angle. ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल है. आप जरा ध्यान से देखो, ये टू लाइंस गिवन है, ये ट्रांसवर्सल कट कर रही है such that ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल है. ये दोनों कौन से पेयर है? They are pair of corresponding angles, and when pair of corresponding angles are equal, then lines will be parallel. तो हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि AB and CD are two lines intersected by a transversal such that it's a pair of corresponding angles are equal. That's why lines must be parallel. तो हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा now AB and CD are intersected by transversal PQ such that a pair of corresponding angles becomes equal. Okay, so AB will be parallel to CD. It is only possible when lines are parallel. और यही हमें प्रूफ. ओके, सेम तरीके से आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा जैसे ये हमने प्रूफ किया है. इसमें बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स पैरेलल गिवन था. इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में पेयर ऑफ ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स के जो बाइसेक्टर्स हैं they are parallel, it is given. So in the same way, in that case you have to prove that a pair of alternate angles becomes equal. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने pair of corresponding angles equal शो किया है, वैसे ही वहाँ पे alternate angles equal हो जाएंगे and lines parallel हो जाएंगे. So that is homework for you. Homework क्या मैंने आपको दिया ही था. If you have any doubt, then ask through the group. Now question number 10.